In this tutorial, we're going to show you the new setting that is available for administrators within your organization. It may be you have an organization of one, or you have multiple builders and instructors and other administrators as well. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you're going to know you're an administrator if you see this admin tab on top. When you click on this, you'll see an option for settings. By default, these settings will be turned off. Before you go checking all these boxes, there are some things you need to be aware of. If, for example, you're an administrator and you only have one person in your organization and that's you, selecting these things may not overwhelm your email box. However, if you have hundreds and hundreds of users, or thousands like some of our customers do, multiple administrators or builders, you may want to think twice about some of these settings. They're pretty self-explanatory. If a new person creates an account under your organization because you've required them to sign in, you can select to get an email. Now keep in mind, if you have more than one administrator, they will get emails as well. Send admins an email when a user completes a single player quiz. Again, if you're sending this out to 20 or 30 people, it may not be that bad. If you're sending it out to hundreds or even thousands, you may want to think twice about this. And the same goes for classroom sessions. Even though you get one email per completed classroom session, it could add up. This lapse option, you can actually do this, share new content within your organization. You can do it globally, so anything you create will automatically be shared with others, including works in progress. Or you can go under the publish page when you create a session like Tally or Quiz Show and choose to share this with everybody in your organization or specific users. And you can even give them options to edit your content as well. Once you're done with that, click Update, and these settings will be applied. Keep in mind, if you have multiple administrators within your organization, they can uncheck or check these boxes as well, but other administrators can choose to turn them on or turn them off. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us. Until the next time, hope you always find unique ways to make your next presentation more engaging. Take care.